All right, y'all. Harvesting broccoli plants and broccoli leaves is our understanding that broccoli leaves are also great to cook, just like you do collards. So we're gonna try and let you know how it comes out. But this is our second or third time harvesting broccoli flowerets, which everybody knows that's the broccoli flowerets. But we're gonna see how it comes up. It's actually January 25th, 24th, 25th, something like that, 2021. So we're done with that for right now. So we're gonna try our spring crop when it's come time, probably around March. But
right now, what I'm doing is cutting out the stem of the broccoli leaf, just like you would the collards.
Well, you cut that stem out
so that they won't be stringy and so that they won't be tough. They'll be nice and tender. So we're trying something new, like he said in his earlier part of his video, broccoli leaves. So we're gonna try this and see what happens.
Okay, now all that broccoli right there that you got stacked in that corner, all those flowers right there, is that a new? That the first time you picked this broccoli, or?
No, this is the second time we've picked broccoli.
Wow. Okay, you still got all that.
All of that.
Wow, that's all right. So it's the gift to keep on giving, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
The gift to keep on giving.
All right then. Well, you're just cutting those stems out. A sink right here full of no stem broccoli leaves. What's your next step after you finish getting the stems out?
My next step is to clean them very well. I'm gonna wash them probably like 3 or 4 times, which would actually be good for these because we use no chemicals and they're not on the ground. So 3, 4 good times should be great.
Okay. All right.
And after that, we're gonna start our cooking process.
Washing your leaves and your greens over here in the water. I see you got some clear water now.
Yeah.
Where's all the dirt?
All the dirt is gone. We wash until our water get clear. And while we were waiting for the meat to cook in my pot for my greens.
What kind of meat is that now? What you talking about, meat to cook?
I have some smoked side meat.
Oh, she in there boiling too. Is that cow or is that lamb or what you got going on here?
That's pork.
That's pork.
And turkey. I have smoked turkey neck as well.
So you did a combination there.
I did a combination because we want the flavor to be intense. It's something new. Haven't tried it, so we want to give it as much flavor as we can.
So you doubling them up on the smoke and doubling up on the meat.
Yeah.
I hear you. Yes. I hear you. All right. Yes. All right, yeah.
A little bit of black pepper and red pepper.
Well, I see you. I see.
Accent.
Okay. All right.
Wake up the flavor.
Gotcha. Now I can smell some goodness going on over here. I wish y'all had smell-o-vision, but it's smelling good. And that's even before you put the greens in there. So it smells real good. So we're going to take a peek at it a little bit later and see where we're going. All right. All right. Can you say greens in the pot? I can say it. Greens in the pot. We're going to see what happens from here. I'll keep y'all posted. All right now. Y'all stay tuned. And we're back. The greens have disappeared in this particular pot. So we're gonna find out what's going on inside this pot. All right. Look like we got some collard greens in there. Like they're ready to go. We're gonna check them out and do a taste test here shortly. And we'll let y'all know these are not collard greens. These are broccoli greens. We're gonna let y'all know. Broccoli greens. Broccoli green with a butterfly chicken breast over rice pilaf with special sauce, cheese, no lettuce.